Hello and welcome. Now that we have created a team and created a board for that team, we're now going to apply the checklist concept to our team activity. Now you are going to need to add a list, and that list can be a specific task or a specific project. So we're going to add in a list here. When we do that, we're going to click Save. We're then going to add a card, and we're going to call this card a specific activity. Once we have our step, we're going to click Add. If we have to add in another step, we're going to do that. And so now we can go inside of the individual cards and we can outline a plan to complete the task. So we're going to write in a description and save it. And then we're going to start a checklist of activities that must be completed. And we're going to call this checklist something relevant to the project. Once we do that, we're going to click Add. And then we're going to write in the steps that it's going to take to complete that we want checked off by the various individuals on our team. So now that all the tasks have been assigned and written out, we can now set a due date for this project step to be completed. And we can do that by adding a due date. We can now label this project step. And we are already tracking the activity for the entire board. However, anyone else that joins the project, they can track the activity by clicking the Watch button. So assuming that 2 tasks have been completed, we can check off those tasks and we can write in a comment to that effect. And then the comment can be saved. If we are working with a specific document, we can then attach the document to the actual project. Once we add the document, we can actually comment on the document. And we're going to add that comment. And so now you can see that there is a trail of activity. There is a dated record of this activity step, and there is tracking of the progress. So the team gives new meaning to how you're going to use checklists inside of Trello. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.